This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and in this video I will show how you can enable and configure the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app. Here find and enter the sound and vibration category. Next, among options that you'll see on this page, look for the Do Not Disturb mode. Or actually, we have it here. Yeah, my bad guys, you will need to enter notifications category instead of sound and vibration, so excuse me for that blunder. Anyway, enter the Do Not Disturb properties page, and that's how you enable or disable the DND mode respectively. You can automate its schedule, so it will automatically switch itself off and on, both here and there. You can add multiple schedules and switch between them and edit any given schedule at any time that you find convenient. Then you can also set up the exceptions for your D&D mode, so you can decide to, well, still receive some calls and messages from certain people, certain notifications from, notifications from certain apps or alarms and sounds, whatever. You can also enter the hide notifications preferences or properties and set up all those things here. Anyway, as far as the pieces goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.